Starting in 2021, GEDIA started to offer tailor-tempered parts produced here locally in Dalton, Georgia for the North American market. Our main equipment we are using is an AP&T hot forming line, which as a process, the hot forming is not new to the North American market, but our unique tailor tempering process called the TemperBox is unique to the North American market. The TemperBox offers multiple advantages for our local customers. A, the tolerances can be much tighter than in other comparable tailor tempering processes. And also we have the design freedom very late in the game. If there's a change in the part, we can change this relatively quick and relatively cost efficient.
In collaboration with GEDIA, AP&T has set a new standard for production lines in the manufacturing of press-hardened components. This cutting-edge technology is now available for the global automotive industry.
By using our TemperBox technology, it's possible to combine soft and hard zones in structural car body parts, eliminating the need for costly reinforcements. Individually defined areas can be fully hardened to maximize strength, while other areas remain soft in order to achieve the desired ductility. By that, significantly increasing flexibility and freedom of component design. This means you can improve the car's crashworthiness and reduce weight, energy consumption, and climate impact at the same time.
The line's production process is also very energy and climate efficient, thanks in large part to the AP&T Servo press, which consumes up to 70% less energy than a conventional AP&T hydraulic press. Our latest generation of multi-layer furnaces, using 40% less energy than previous models, also makes a significant contribution.
When it comes to performance and productivity, it is our experience that the new lines make it possible to improve cycle times, therefore freeing up more time for production. This leads to improving both overall equipment efficiency and also total cost of ownership. This is no doubt the future of press hardening.